Your long-term product vision for Anthropic as a roadmap.
Give me your long-term product vision for Anthropic as a roadmap. Here's the thing that separates a strong answer from a forgettable one. A vision answer is not a feature list. It's a narrative with a through line, and that through line has to be tied to the company's actual mission. So you give three horizons that build on each other, and each one gets a product, a metric, and a reason it moves Anthropic toward safe, trustworthy AI. This question is testing whether you can tell a coherent story where each stage earns the right to the next, and whether that story is anchored to what Anthropic really is, not pasted from a generic AI deck. By the end of this, you'll be able to state the anchor, lay out three horizons with products and metrics, make the dependency between them explicit, and defend the whole thing against market pressure. Start by framing what long-term vision is even testing. It's testing whether you can tell a story where each stage earns the next, and whether it's anchored to Anthropic's real identity. A safety-first lab whose core bet is that the trustworthy AI wins the enterprise. State that anchor out loud before you name any horizon, because it's the spine the entire answer hangs on. Get the spine wrong, and every horizon after it just floats. Now, Horizon 1, roughly now to 18 months, the trusted assistant. The goal is to make Claude the model enterprises reach for when correctness and safety matter more than novelty. The products here are reliable long context reasoning, citation grounded answers, strong coding, and the admin and data control layer that enterprises actually need before they'll deploy anything. The metric that matters isn't signups, it's paid enterprise seats retained plus task success on high stakes evals. And here's why this horizon earns the next one. It builds the trust, the deployment footprint, and the real world usage data that autonomy is going to require. You can't skip it. The data and the credibility are the fuel for Horizon 2. Then Horizon 2, roughly 2 to 4 years, the trusted agent. Now you move from answering to doing safely. The products are agents that complete multi-step work inside a company's own tools, research, code changes, operations under the permission, confirm, and reversibility model with an audit trail that enterprises can actually govern. The metric shifts to tasks completed end to end without human correction, and the rate of harmful or unwanted actions held near zero. And why does this earn Horizon 3? Because proving an agent can be trusted with real actions in bounded domains is the entire evidence base for wider autonomy. You're not claiming autonomy is safe, you're demonstrating it task by task in a place where the blast radius is contained. Then Horizon 3, roughly 5 years and beyond, aligned autonomous systems. The products are systems that take on larger goals with less supervision, but only in domains where the safety case has genuinely been earned, and always inside interpretability and oversight tooling that lets humans understand what the system is doing and step in. The metric here is value delivered per unit of human oversight and demonstrable alignment on hard evals. And why is this the destination rather than just a bigger version of Horizon 2? Because it's the mission itself expressed as product. Useful AI whose behavior we can trust and understand. That's not a feature. That's the whole reason the company exists. Now, make the through line explicit and commit, because this is the sentence the interviewer will remember. The one line connecting all three. Each horizon widens what you trust the AI to do, and every widening is paid for by the safety and the evidence built in the horizon before it. That's the discipline that makes this Anthropic's roadmap specifically, and not a generic AI wish list you could staple onto any lab. Finally, name the risks and the moat. First risk, capability moves faster than the safety evidence, and there's real commercial pressure to skip a horizon to jump straight to autonomy because a competitor did. The vision has to hold the line that autonomy is unlocked by earned trust, not by market pressure. And you should say that plainly because at Anthropic, that's the test. Second risk, enterprises are slow, so Horizon 1 revenue has to actually fund the long game, which means you can't treat the near term as a throwaway. And the moat is compounding. Interpretability research, a growing eval, and red team corpus, and deep enterprise integration together create switching costs and a safety lead that a fast follower simply can't buy off the shelf. Each horizon makes the next one cheaper for you and harder for them. Let me make this concrete by following one customer across all three horizons, because that's what makes it feel real rather than aspirational. Horizon 1, a legal or financial services enterprise, standardizes on Claude for document review because every answer is cited and auditable. And critically, they renew because the accuracy holds up over months. Retained seats, not just initial signups, is the metric, and it's the honest one. Horizon 2, that same client now lets a Claude agent run first pass contract redlines and file the diffs under scope permissions and a full action log, and 70% of those redlines ship without a lawyer rewriting them. The agent didn't appear from nowhere. It was earned by the trust and the usage data from Horizon 1. Horizon 3, in the narrow, well-evaluated domain of standard contract processing, the agent handles the routine flow while humans supervise the exceptions, and you measure it by how little oversight each closed matter now needs. Each stage used the trust and the data from the one before it, and that coupling is exactly what makes the whole arc credible instead of hand-wavy. Notice the through line held: assistant, then agent, then bounded autonomy, and every step was paid for by the last. A vision answer invites two predictable follow-ups, and having both ready is what turns a nice story into a higher signal. The first, what would you actually build first this quarter to start Horizon 1? Don't wave at the whole horizon, name a concrete first move. I'd build the enterprise data control and audit layer, the workspace isolation, the no training on our data guarantee, the admin console, and the citation grounded answer path. Why that first? Because it's the unlock for every enterprise deal in Horizon 1. And it's also the foundation the Horizon 2 agent will need for its own audit trail. So you're building the same trust plumbing twice for the price of once. That's the sequencing discipline made concrete. The second follow-up is the pointed one. Where does this go wrong? And the honest answer is Horizon 2, the assistant to agent jump, because that's where you first hand the system real actions, and it's where the trust you banked in Horizon 1 gets spent or squandered. So the whole vision has a single point of maximum risk, and naming it rather than pretending the arc is smooth is exactly the self-awareness they're testing for. Then there's the commercial pushback. Enterprises are slow and Anthropic needs revenue now. Doesn't this vision starve the near term? No, because Horizon 1 is the revenue engine. It's not a research phase, it's paid enterprise seats today, and that revenue is precisely what funds the patience Horizon 3 requires. You should say that the near-term product and the long-term mission aren't in tension. The near-term product is how you afford the mission. And if they ask what makes this Anthropic's roadmap and not OpenAI's or Google's, point at the coupling itself. A lab optimizing purely for capability would sequence these horizons differently, jumping to autonomy the moment it was capable rather than the moment it was trusted. The order is the identity. Here's what makes them lean in. First, 3 horizons that build on each other, each with a real product and a real metric, not a feature dump where everything's exciting and nothing's sequenced. Second, The through line is tied to Anthropic's actual mission, so the vision fits this company and couldn't just be pasted onto anyone. And third, you made each stage earn the next, which shows strategic discipline instead of hype. At a safety first lab, discipline over hype is the single strongest signal you can send in this answer. Now, the traps, and they're specific to vision questions. The first is a flat list of cool features with no sequencing and no dependency between them, so it reads as a wish list, not a roadmap. The second is a vision that could be pasted onto any AI company, with nothing Anthropic specific in it, which tells the interviewer you didn't do the work to understand who they are. And the third is jumping straight to autonomous systems with no account of the trust and the evidence that unlock them. That last one is fatal at Anthropic specifically, because skipping the safety case